The results are in from yesterday's referendum election.
Mainers widely opposed question 1, while a majority of voters in Maine said yes to question 2. A margin of 63% to 37%, with 87% of votes being counted there. Creates a so-called red flag law for Maine, a new way to temporarily take guns away from people who are considered dangerous.
Maine now becomes the 22nd state to enact some form of a red flag law. And this is the first state in the country where the red flag law will operate alongside a similar measure.
News and Maine's Alex Haskell joining us live in the studio tonight with how it works. And another big question today, when this could all take effect. Hi, Alex.
Yeah, hey, Brian. Hey, Bailey. So this new law gives families a direct path to the courts to have someone's guns temporarily removed if they pose a threat to themselves or others, and it will work alongside Maine's existing yellow flag law, not replace it.
The voters spoke loud and clear last night that they want this option.
Margaret Groban is a board member for the Maine Gun Safety Coalition. The group sponsored the measure that establishes Maine's red flag law.
The powerful news is that families will have this tool.
Here's how the law will work. Family or household members can directly petition a court to have someone's guns taken away temporarily if that person poses a serious danger to themselves or others. That's different from Maine's current yellow flag law, which Groban says has limitations.
The flaws being that family members cannot go directly to court to get an order. They have to call law enforcement.
The current yellow flag law requires law enforcement to ask a judge for a temporary gun removal order. But police must first take the person into custody for a mental health evaluation. The usefulness of the law was questioned after the Lewiston mass shootings, when it was learned that it wasn't used to take guns away from Robert Card, despite warning signs about his behavior.
Lewiston just made so clear that we needed something more.
Since those shootings in 2023, the yellow flag law has been used more than 1,000 times, compared to a fewer than 100 times in its first 3 years.
It's working.
Maine's largest police union says the yellow flag law is enough.
It involves a whole lot of people, including the mental health industry, relatives.
The new red flag law also makes it a felony to file a false petition to have someone's firearms taken away. As for when it takes effect, Groban says likely early next year after some procedural steps. Meanwhile, the Sportsmen's Alliance of Maine, which opposed the measure, says it's consulting with attorneys to see if there's a way to challenge it. And Brian and Bailey, we will follow that to see what happens.
Alex Haskell in the studio. Thank you.